chairman and now president. I feel na make say me kofa John Mahama san ban se medidi aba e ya nipa for my green ya adwuma kakra e wo say ye koma oman no e hu hia ye dwument na oman no mu say ya no bia complain Ghana for obia se Ghana enkoyie but Ghana na enkoyie no. The problem is not the problem. The problem is the people who are talking about the problem. The systems don't work. The systems are so. And Ghana systems do. Everybody you meet will tell you the same thing. However, the same people, immediately you start talking about the system, the same people would leave the system and come and attack you. And A plus, or you're better. A plus, or what get you, A plus, or say, me on. Me mean she will. But opa, almost said and done one who said A plus or she will. Never could be she will never so back with your man. Like, my young woman who say, hey, I didn't know kind of crime, me. Because South Sudan only a diamond for a granny from our politics. There's so many people who want to get into politics and be part of your build your mind, but yet you who are not the DNA in your maybe. And to me, she will. But may catch on when they say, if you begin a campaign that A plus or you reach smoker, immediately mess with me. Like in person, me young who say, maybe your bosom, forget it. When you say A plus, yeah, the girl be up tracking you in a naked video. Hey, it was secondary school. Be someone me call secondary school. It was a challenge. When they get me anti naked, I call way. Sadia na yeah, was secondary school. This a raspo for no bia. Me board them no be so. And on my way, just about down for the bit me on my way to anymore. Forget it. One more than I want me do on my way anymore. Da. And I wish slow I want me do on my way anymore. Me fee. Nipa wusa atente from your uncle John ewu reference mi so ani nyina ye ko Jehovah Witness wo enti ye Christmas ye ndibi Easter ye ndibi ye memorial no man ya jollof kakra ni ye di Valentine Day ndibi ade a de nyom ba pie ye so obi awu ni abonyom na say kura Jehovah Witness for ye kura ye monyom bi enti me de mi so anu mi nyina de mi hu ye like amani pa bibra ba ye so enya ye na beba mi fie ye news so e plus we obi bekun na me wu a mi ko sin sama kwan. And the kunu su get ding. Kunu su get ding. Me, yeah. Na say am catch you be some person shada ya dey be na police watch me. You must be this. A chain Bobby wine. Me dey me do man no, me do nipa no, me pese obi a ho be kan because Kwame Nkrumah ya dey bia to ha kire yen say to gain the whole independence for Ghana, ya ntutuo baako, nipa baako kura nwu. Then we can do it. Yes, you bet me the same thing. Na ya pamo nipa boni na essay your mind without you destroy Bibia. So me I'm for it. Now you go program, me catch your police force police. Let me tell you something. Me the kind of people I work with, me my boys, you can't stop us. When we move, hey, me two to be 2,000 then you can't do anything. Want to me kunipa. And chaos will start say something you cannot stop. Me when I move, it's dangerous. You cannot stop it. But I'm very reasonable. Yeah, then. This is how you want us to go. Let's go. Let there be peace. Let people sleep in peace. So everybody here in this country must know that Kwame Plus is leading a certain thing. Kwame Plus is a very peace-loving person. But the day that anybody will try to take advantage of that one to intimidate us, look, me, I'm just a WhatsApp message across board away. The kind of things that will appear. And you may be PA, no, and you may be PA, no. Because the Constitution says that we must protest when something is not going. We can protest. We have every right to protest. We have every right to just notify police and do what we want to do. And we are going to do everything. However, we are going to do it within the Public Order Act. Any constitution, nobody can intimidate Kwame Plus. I began TPP with a logo on Facebook. One logo. Let me frame Madam for be. I mean, idea be design logo, mommy. Before we need to no, yeah, meeting, yeah, past 7. Or when you see, now you move call London near your meeting. Or when you see New York near your meeting. The next thing they saw, boom, we are in the front forecourt of TPP headquarters. It's boys. Yeah, boys. And this one is just the beginning. Immediately, it's another big one. Boom. And we be that ever since June 4th. It's me and my people. The ordinary people on the street. And Nipa no we had over blade 15 or prison 3 years. No more God. No one should be our bottom to say me I need a dear name because everything about this country must change. Akufo-Addo, Nana Addo, Uncle Yobia, and can the best friend, Kennedy Japan. When my data then I may no bibia me I then may no obi to me nka kwame pla me to me nka masem because me nim chema to me 2001 mo MPP na mo dey jemu me nim chema to me na me bra kojo ye adwuma 2001 e wo kokomem ni ona bo ken Japan na mo visa ono no be yes na ona bo ken o ye nipa wo yen na ya no ye den no ye gwan se fi asas ne go na me konda da bi ye di nkomo we chire se jack ade nkoyie what is that? Say, honorable Ken Obetre, say, what is say, Chairman to me, Obetre, that be. What is say, Ukophobia, Delta Force, Invisible Force. You one. It is when you daswa with subversive form, Oko Party, MPP Party headquarters, Pio be Adia Fati, Pia Minipo, Nazi Adia Koya, Binami Piasa. And to me, now, it's a Hasano, a woman may make me a year. Nanado, as president of Ghana, he knows the reason why. Onuankasa was taking money when it obi ka say oh say sika no enye corruption enye bribe yenja no ntonchen. I don't want to go into that one, whether it is bribe or it is whatever. I don't want to go inside. Why was Nanado taking the money himself? Why was Akufo-Addo taking the money himself? So bia be kan okre wo memu ha. We who were close to Nanado, we know Mon can no crom young person musi asori dan magana. Mon can no crow, but more person would DNA musi asori dan. Nanado himself will never take money from anybody. Go and ask anybody. Go and ask anybody who has been close to Nanado for the past how many years. Nanado will never take the money. So best obekute scam. Nanado will always direct you to the right quarters that go here. You want to give me money for my campaign? Yes. Please go here, go to party headquarters, go and see Abankwa, he's the treasurer. Go to data bank, go and see this person. Go to here, go and see this person. Send Nana Begis can Nana will never do it. Adentina Sadano 2016 Nubedu Hono, Nana Eji Sikano, ne campaign Sikana support the Bamano, Nana Ebeji, because no Mujiskana and Sanka. No Mujiskana, then Sanka Sikano. The Ebeko party headquarters there and the Bibua Conta and the Aqua Mr. Bankwa on whom to make cross no me offer. Near Dane and to hold the Ebeko party. But near Quanin crop for the bush of one immediate for no Nanansan Kaskano, Mokano Crow Memuha, who sorry Sunday could just so no count Saboom, who mounts us of us no Kenya me and himself, who be bonfire. No, we can't troll Facebook, can't troll radio. So I had the end about him into him so woe, we as soon say a woe echi at him woe. Young quash or you. Me mama ba pobia ko do witness me jai me nkwa asori me bom paye kire me nyankopon wo me dem mo na mo kwa asori ko bom paye de bia mo nim so wo echi atemu wo ho adenti na Nanado ejiska no because Nanado wo position no na ewia no onim se nipa no ne omonam no omo ya akronfo. Nanado knows this one before he came to power. So me I was expecting say Nanado will not bring a certain group of people into power. E so nipa oni omo be campaign and na so nipa oni omo be bu man enti no e be do stage bi no na Nanado hu say kai sika no e basa. So many people wanted to support his campaign but sika no nka nsa that no me be try na me catch them say somebody gave Nanado 7 million Ghana and I can say you catch them say Nanado when you ask him 1 Ghana I will believe it. So bigger chance and Nanado didn't get 1 Ghana of that money, I will believe it. And Nana, I am telling you, throughout your campaign, the money that was sent to you from Sedu Agungu, the money that was sent to you was almost 7 million. Ask Nana if he knows about it. Who and who collected the money? I'm saying go up on the bank account. After all the sacrifice that the man did, Nanaji, Mufan Commander no. Hey, na say mami bi Oma Nanado sika every month. Oma Nanado sika every month. Nanado nsan ka sika no. Obi minister bi na baby na mami ni sia no say, "Hey, de bia me discuss ma nana. Me ye de koma nana." Nanado na masipo da. No say kai Nanado nsan ka sika no. Ne nsan ka sika bia. Nsan ka sika bia. Na nipa na kasa fa no de ko na honam. Send na de bia o discama na nsan kan sika no. So you Nanado as our leader and president, you know that your people are criminals. It is not something you do not know. And yet bibia Nanado own him for a fact say oni akromfo nenam omo wia ono ankasa nana no ya wia ne saa nana do hwe video we a oh because oye president in tobe oh A plus but onim say asema meka no eye facts only bibian doje bebia onim say oni akromfo nenam omo tru ne bag mu omo nana do he knows all of this enti no good time no so no agigi ni sika because chobo na no odin dodo so he had to take his money by himself. So if you know all of this and A plus is telling you that Nana these people you know their track records, you know what they have done before you became president, how will you be surprised that A plus is telling you that this person has done that and you want to sacrifice A plus for these people? I mean more dodo. Almost they cannot give Nana more votes than me. Maybe more than Dodo. You know that this person, your opposition, no crank. Why is it? It's when something comes up, I say, your friend say, Ghana Drinkers Association President no Wakonomansa. Where you are somehow over doing whom you have to deal with it. A plus and Yamfana some in 20. Now, no so. Mimi son not be as a man no kakraka, be me bibia, one no kakraka de beef. Now, saying I guess necessary what take lips. I'm feeling. If you know all of this and your Auditor General Domluvo is telling you that this is going on, how can you be angry unless you are doing it with them? The Bible said that I shall not yoke with unbelievers. Into who and work yoke with unbelievers. Ya true Bible. You see, that I shall not yoke with unbelievers. And you are yoking with unbelievers. You know the criminals. Why do you defend them? If Domlovo, who is your Auditor General, is telling you that this and this is going on, you know these people took your campaign money, they didn't give it to you. Your Auditor General is telling you are angry. Abba, how can you be angry? Now, forget about him. The people who did the campaign, Manasseh Azuri, is telling you, Nana, your people are like this. You are angry. You go to Manasseh. The people who are part of your campaign, who pushed you, including Kofi Bentel and Franklin Kudu, they are telling you that this is happening. You are angry. Now you went and brought your own special prosecutor. He said you are the mother serpent of corruption. So take everybody out. Everybody is better. Your own special prosecutor too. Everybody who tries to tell Nana to say, Nana, please, I did because for her and yet for Nancy form no, then Nana gets angry with the person and supports the criminals. Opinion or channel for man Kwarari and come on, you can't away for no your headmaster. Yen to me, and yes, Sahadi. Opinion or channel for man Kwarari and can ye kind and away for on your penny. So if Nanado knows his people and we are telling him about the same people, and everybody who has told Nana about corruption, it becomes an enemy, and immediately the people should be about the person, Auditor General, Mr. Domlovo, or Bekana Sempe, you see, no, too kind, no, for her. Immediately you start talking about corruption, Manasseh Kradi, or can corruption as yes, or Fukubi. Oh, shit. This country. Manasseh started talking about corruption, and what MPP people could say, then a year of Fukubi, and the Adenaba of Fukubi. Or Fukubi. And you see, when we start talking about these issues, it will benefit the opposition. Of course, it will benefit the opposition. Immediately we start talking about these issues, it will benefit the opposition. Because John Mahama wa abemuna ye can about a confirm Ghana for mama can say mention munti a confirm ba ku bia ntu anko ba bia o that is propaganda. I'm telling you, a confirm ba ku bia nyana ko ba ya kan ma na bi abeye ho, so you leave it like that. A confirm bia ntu anko ba bia, but ya kan ma na ye aye ade e wo ho, so a confirm be gane eno de na ye normal. But excavator, a yeradia, me enka. Abobo ya yera, my enka. We ye MP, who to meet Tina Hawkastle, ya kotubio ya galamsia, yamboni tu nkunu. As a politician, so almost could hear excavators no, now what's a takwa, What a takwa ya do excavator, ya shino, ya do excavator, wo excavator na yebisi this year the concrete no. Ade chinya wo takwa echi wo baby a wo excavator ni siwa obi di ye galamsey. Ya dia be renti obi mo no dia batakwa be ye galamsey. We are do excavator. Ya dia ba ya se the concrete. Ade chinya na wo takwa echi wo baby a obi de wo excavator no ye galamsey. E wo takwa. Wo kan ya ade chinya na ya hye no. Ya hye wo excavator no. Sa na eguman. Sa na eguman. What be quiet. Say young kum nkrofo omo ye galamsey yam bom tuo nku omo. Eso wo nkrofo no akọ hɔ akɔgyeje nkrofo excavator agye omo gold aton edi. Nanadu nim obi o wana bemo nim so mo ya akronfo but onka e no support akronfo no. It's very simple. Oni omo anenam o support omo na kire so o ka ho ono di omo anim. Senka nana ebe ka no kra enko obi ka corruption asema enko nana onim so yan strabo for no oni omo nam. He knows it for a fact. Nipa brewo mem hasa mo amoye school feeding no onza mo zanka musika mo amoye school feeding onza ya mo wagadre bia na de dia ba be see some point ya say we ya de na ye dada mo na ya to aba na wi o mo amoye school feeding no e na mo nka no kore ube hu me be ka kire me say unam e ye form ade acha no ube hu me be ka kire me say na school feeding ska no won sanka ye na aban na bom echi moden pa woto aba no na se Nana Addo wenye ntua tankofo omo ya azan Nana Addo no one ne nkofo omo nim omo ho omo ya azan enti no me tra Facebook me ye form na wo mehu mi this week wa ono me ka se bia no me ba ka mo Facebook me bo wudin so we me di ache mo mwana won se mu school feed ni ye ntua aka ma ye adwuma na wie mwana mu musika ye muto aba na mu wia ye ntua se ska na mamo mo amu be hu mi am be ka say private health facilities NHIS since last year yentua amoka private health hospitals since last year yentua amoka se mo aba no be bedru no se mo anto aba no in such a way a ebe ko second rounder me nka sa koto aba ma na we start kasa nyina o sa aba na ko second round na we make demands ye demands ne e go ho ya kan wo so make we demand to aba no se ne be ya aba no be ko second round na ji usika ewo 1 month no say na to Monday and na to Monday say won san kan usika gwen ansan wato aba no Nana Addo or per second term or per another 4 years enu mpo no mpo so betua okay enu mpo na private hospitals mon san kan usika no enu mpo na school fee no mpo so betua no enu mpo na Gold Coast mon san kan usika no enu mpo na man capital savings and loan microfinance mon san kan usika no onya wia onya aba we wia omba bi babam otilo ni ope we wia sinyina wenya ontua mbakro oba ye yam ne krofo no mbe didi mu atem omu hwe enti no memenka se to aba na obi wini o Nana Addo tie so obi an kan asam ne kire wona me ka kire o plan tie ni ye me wo wini election en fam ho na mom no there should be a period a wo de be tutua krofo ka wo de be sesan nioma aya to aba na nka akọ second round nka ye kasa afide be ko mu tirim na afese ye be to ama wana ya to ama wo aha ye kasa ne be wuwu ma dwemu ye mu ho be popo mu be suro mu be ko se ye to aba no na aba na ye se ko second round pe mu be ko aboso kan no maka kira aboso kan for say customs amendment bill na ma ye na ma tro wo mu se ye be assemble ka wo krum ha na cars na ye be assemble no nyina no obi antumi nto ne parts beton wa boso kan no mebekwa akwosesa no na mafi mato na fi on ato aba na mamu mebekwa akwosesa no because aboso kan na esi ho no eye enipa eye enioma enan ene ye kran the most Toyota part VW part Nissan part sa cars 3 way mo be ye cars no wa ha nti aboso kan obi antumi nkofa ne part ma ha wo se eye friends eye gradual untumi stop na at once it is out aboso kan na otim for more ni de betumi aba so But also mo to aba no in such a way say saa de no yebetumi ye hia 1 more month ye mfa mfa adwen ansa ya to aba no mo bi awini ye tumi to aba no saa ye ye ade hia ye a national policy for this country. What ya boso kan a wo so hia say be yi saa de no free customs amendment bill no mu enye say komo bedo ye nyina ye nwen ho say saa de a wo be ye kan no wo ha na ye nya ton part no mo be ye kan no na boso kan fo ton part no fa wadwen ye adwuma enye asantini ni ayigbeni ni we ni ye de to aba fa wadwen se nipa se wote soame muntaka e wo opposition minority chief whip konhwe so ni kurom ho asanwase kwan wa ni nyina o se che men sabo nsutumi ye kwan wo soame o ye majority leader wo beto aba ama na edawa wusu edawa me do nyame ye to aba na ye se aba na ko second round wonu ma de ebesi wo Ghana obi akwan ye be ye me mo betutu me kwan se so mo ye e ya azan na o mo ye me no o mo betutu me kwan no so se o mo be ye kwan no e ya azan me se kwan na ne kosi Monday o mo tumi ye kwan no enti e ya azan na o be so mo ye me no se ye to aba na se ye se obi anwini na ye beto no bi 1 month o be ye me kwan no o be ye me kwan no enti me meti we me ye koto aba na mo obi in such a way say Akufo Addo onya mo vote o de be nwini me ababa 4 am na me to police station me to so a obi abehu ye ti o mam ha ma soldier photo me to aba na we twa video na MPP4 che na we to me ka kire me say me twa me to aba me to me twa video na me squad am de be basa be bia me to aba me nkwan be to aba squad am de be ba no and the che mamo man start ade a to me end po what as me be to aba ba na me ba be to aba no it say ye call we soldier photo me to aba no me twa na MPP4 che no ye normal but Obien to me and photo war 2016 me to abana me live video na before bomb say mama 2016 me to abana me live video da YouTube say ya obia nkohwe bi obia mo amu ye adwuma wo bank a ye yi mu nyina di constitution ne say aban na also mamu adwuma also per livelihood mamu you work in the bank ya pamu we free bank ni bia suji loan every banker depending on loan uji loan na yetete wo aketuem na odi bia toka na odi bi sidan saa na odi call retirement every banker and na ye ka say ye gu banks no ye se ye be fa wa adwuma ya mfa wa adwuma ye yi wadi obi also ya frustrating am no agai obi nso wo ho a ya fa na adwuma but ya tina ketua so by 80%. So 1 month be toswa inoma be pray besesa ye wie ya be ka kire o say wa ye yi wadi a wokote na afie no wo je loan wo bank nti fasika na bra wona wo ye adwuma wo bank na yebu na enye wo Fort Bank of Ghana na tena ho ama bank ni guye no and I say Security and Exchange Commission na tena ase ma bank ni guye financial institution ni guye na ye yi wadi no wokote na afie a aban san tata wo say wo de ne kanti betua e wo say everybody must make demands before they vote. Everybody and I'm you be some on the on your pay sika and unkoye say obey say you hear scans what to aba enkoye but everybody in this country in this 2020 abana yebeto no everybody must make demands that changes their life before they vote. Me there I'm looking for a policy for this country and my road me kwan and you MF kwan no and yet yebeto abaka 2 weeks na to must be to 2 kwan no or so to ye beka azan mo be ya azan like yen ya jimi nti we be tutu kwan no so kwan we da ho ye ne every day so to this ethiopia ska we estate mu ha na ye kutwa ye kwan no so ye beto abaka few days ya to aba we be twa kwan no so say we be tutu gota ho de anwe be gu kwan finfin sa we be ye kwan no me ye sure say election no ye to ne ye say e second round immediately mo di quota ba be gu me kwan don't be street light esiso be bia Ghana be bia light ni ye be so light motorway so ye the post be sisi what say ye be ye yenye say ehun bomb a on be ye motorway no street light no nyina video no obi a hwe be bia hia ho no na twa ho no na che say we ase asesa Kwame Nkrumah nya live video a enya Facebook live a enko ji Africa nyina si ho obi a ntwa be bia hia no obi a ye screen recording mun chem mo obi a within an hour to Monday no be a video no e was say NDC form to me win election no one of like Bam John Mahama win ye dabi obe win election afi we no e wo se oni nipa no kwa apam also oni nipa no kwa apam. There should be something different in this country this year. Obia mfa na dwen ye adwuma. Obia, don't just wake up now makoto aba adentia me agbeni me there I before the to aba me NDC. Ohun krom kwan se na etie. NDC for ma ba ye mo kwan. Those are me there me asante ni no me there me to aba me te so ama me to aba me wo hu so am kwan se na etie. Obia mumma yenso NDC ne pipi yenso mo boss mo this year yenso mo de den yemia na de den wo ye teacher ni teaching allowance wunji big da wunji teaching allowance da ade akye ne ye beto aba je say aban ne nim se nipa na jimi o unim se aban ne nim se nipa no ma jimi o de dada o enti nipa ne yentumi kan ye humbom ne ntra aban ne se ye jimi ye wo ye teacher ni wunji teaching allowance wo wi ase da ena ye beto aba ye de 1000 aka obi aketu ya ho se obi anje 1000 chese teacher ni de o maneta o teacher for there ye hwie bia ye we hwie the teacher for san teacher for nim bia no omo hwie no by heart into wo ye teacher ni amount 1000 eno anu no koto aba e wo say wo make sure say 1000 na ye de ma wo no na wo eno ti wo koto aba no it is something that is going to happen after the election. You do not have to demonstrate again before you get the 1000. If you are a teacher and you have been given 1000 Ghana cedis right now and so it makes you happy, ask yourself that how sustainable is it? Are you going to receive it again? Is it going to be permanent? Do you have to demonstrate before you get your next 1000? These are the questions you should ask and then you vote. Everybody must vote based on the demands that they make. And now you better have a ministry to me for phone. No, a friend Crawford is Mampeni Akufo-Addo say Ninyuma Power ya mukasa bi omo kamini bi don kosu asa kasa no. Omo brofo bi brofo ba tun kan say indefectible say brofo bi tintin bi me dem hu kakra. Indefectible omo kan say obi ntwe ha ma me. And now you go to Abbey. Nama penny and na do Nejuma pa or see a mount 100 Ghana, not for be to credit, not for be to way. Another Nejuma pa say the 100 Ghana for to credit. A Japan will come. A Japan will come. Obin crabby be a mebecano. 100 Bodamu until Han Obin Crabby screen recording on Yamaka say their Bodamesi. Yamaka say their Bodamu. A Bodam Menesi Obin crabby be a mebecano. No problem no one. My start screen recording no. Mo start here mo mame menka kana menka na yanko. Aha. Enche bia ye say ye be ye Japan. Ye be fa Ghana gold nyina. Ye be fa ni nyina Ghana gold ye fa ni nyina. Na ye dia ma company bi na onko invest. No mbre on fisika ne mre. Ghana gold on every year bia yenya over 120 million o say ahen ewom every year bia sika o man ni nya no obi say o ka Ghana gold na ye gini nyina bom no ma yen 500 million ade every year bia wonya 120 million no o ma yen 500 million that's o ma yen 500 million na ono fa gold ni nyina no akọ invest no indefinitely like ono and be handle your gold nyina for the ever and ever. No, I invest in a profit one. Na obrefo to obrefo ade. Obrefo e to obrefo ade. Onu ko invest and yes you nka ya sem papa. A company na omo koye sa ade na omode ma omo no omo ma 500 million no omo akọ omo afa no forever and ever no. Sa company no e hwanum na we akiri. Hwanum na e form sa company no. Yes ye nka nkire nipa ne de ye ma mu hu omo. Nipa 30 million ade nipa kakra bi person bom no mo fa eye hwan ma wo so won kan kire won kire nipa no jisika no 500 million be the amount if you na koyi Ghana gold nyina ba ye ba profit enya mu nyina e ba be DSI na yen ya ko invest ni abra mu bi na eye hwan wo so men kire won nipa no na yen family and friends a me ti ye me be shem wuti Kumasi Ghana gold nyina fi Ashanti region wuti western region Ghana gold nyina fi western region Wukotu galamsey kakra bi galamsey kakra bi wukotu galamsey kakra yesi yembo otu onku yeku bi yeku nipa because of galamsey I Major Mahama owu because of galamsey as will be person of gold ni nya ono de ofa ni nyina wote takwa wote bekwa wote ayamfre wote wase kropon wote dunkwa wote for more for nana gold na ye be fa no ye fra ahemfo no asa ye be fa gold no say ye be ye ade bi sei ye be fa gold no wo asase mu ye fra ahemfo no ye fra otumfo enkofo bi aka mu abom so mpe so mu bu o man na forever and ever enu bi no mpe so mde ya aboso kan for no aboso kan for mo madwen na ho because mo partner mo ton wo ho kakra no mo partner mo ton no enu kra no ye kofa company ne ba ye omo amodia afi do mo na be ton car part no wu to me ton car part ye gi ni nyina ne yen ya ton car part wu to me ton bi ye kan sam tere mo amuntie gold na ye be fa the whole Ghana gold na ye di ni nyina ebom na ye di koma company bia invest no otumfo otekwa so nana onu na asase mu na gold wo Western Region Chiefs no o ma asase mu na gold wo Eastern Region did they involve the Chiefs? No, they didn't involve the Chiefs. Ahemfo no mama mani na ho politician ba na mo ye na mama mani na ho na nse mu say National House of Chiefs president no regional president won say you too bebre mu amaba no nananom mo dem ye me nananom mo ye me nana like ma hemfo ma me kan sa mo ye ma hemfo and Ohene so the one in Kasa, you have to add some respect to Ohene. We know Ohene Kasa, there should be some respect. Maximum. And you know, me na hen for Kasa, no matter some between the kakra. Na no main. Omo aye tu omo na yede mo abano. Aban sesa, ye be 2 months. Mamu ma politics emba ahensem mu. Na nanom yesremo a mamu ma politics emba ahensem mu. Ye tu obi na yede wo abano. Munim se aban we na hye kire ne yetutu omo aye tu omo ni nyina munim se me wo ground munim se ahemfo bebre ya me namfofo di me tin komo na ekoso National House of Chiefs ni munim se me te eyo aban na se kire ne yetutu ngrofo tobu afedom nyina yetutu omo nyina House of Chiefs you omo position yetutu omo nyina you know mamu ma ahens politics and mama ahensem ni mu ebe sai nyoma bebre me di wie no Ghana ye nkontoko aba na ye koto ye kwa ya waso West Wogon koto aba no ye hu de we sisa one constituency ye sisa nipa sojafoɔ ye sisa nkrofo atade so ye national security akufo ado ɔti no se order bi da na fi na matiase yi ɔwɔ dwen ɔde nam wiase ye sisa nkrofo kogu aya waso ekoye basabasa ye se NDC for na ye yate ase but MPP for nkoto omo aba omo primaries nkoyi omo MPs obi ehu ne si okroma omo bo omo ankasa omo ho na se MPP for koto abayi omo primaries na so omo to me bo omo ho a anam ne NDC na ekua donko ne gum na ekosie ni and omo san was state no power no behind them and they be yire fucking enti no masesa sojafo ekogu ayi Korea friends saying voter region. Hey, the resilience of an Ewe man. The resilience of an Ewe man. Unima Ewe man. Look, Ewe man unso to. Don't go and start anything that you cannot finish there. And the constitution is very clear who must be at the polling station. The constitution is very clear on that. The resilience of an Ewe man, you cannot suppress them. Eye kasa, any abotre, any education, any nyina de kwa abatu onumu, ni nyina ye de abefie. Ye beto abai, obi omo so obi be lusu bia no, ya sesa sojafo ne police fo ne de kugo koka asoa. Kasoa for me kan se me akire mo. Me menya information ne de wo. Menya information o kasoa. Omo de sojafo na wo de wo behu. So omo amma na ne American intia. Omo di sojafo ni ade begu kasoa agikro ni nyina aboso abato ba akopɛ 76 years there nana ulusu election kura ahwe CEO BNC wa ya wo de wo wi ni so a nyame ne eda na se wo na wo ye Ghana president ni ebe so ba but wo de nse obebu man no na yenye de nse ebe kire ya adwen because you tua tax me obi tua tax ma me wo be kama so wa pen ma block wo obi tua tax ma me enti nana so wo wi ni election na ye president no me meba inauguration who win president and member inauguration what I say independence square ya wo dia inauguration na ya wo dia ya ban na ya inauguration ti member bi ye ba betena ho na ya be hwe bi to obi antumi obi ahwe like me like me come person na win election na me boys me 19 year time operation na be obia to me ye hu o man wen ye obia dia na se sa soja for dio ko gu kaswa nansen ya asem sie me de he ya na ngofo kana nansen ya etuo hawa kumsin ekotutu o kaswa ese hawa kumsin ama A+ he me ade etumi me wo wiase sa de me ye nyina na etumi me pa eye kasa musa ma ko break for some time let you say bia honorable can affirm na on ma kasa enti musa me slow down kakra eye kasa wo yes ka wo eye kasa motsisa enoma bebre koso kaso anye wo ya ade na e papa honorable etututu esi wo behu me ye kansem nyina me si yo honorable mate wa kire se wo ye maame wo ye people's mother wa kire se wo ye say mate ase wa ya ade pa MPP for no asem si pe no mpeso mbe kontokwa ba wo de wan ye sa why you say the wise Gideonites wa ba ya kasa problem ni ho but our gumsine am ka se mi kire ye gwawo ye growl kofona omukun katia no obia ka say as an MP na wo say wo as the MP ye kun obi wo kaso afa body no de adwane edidum sa ansa mo san beto body na twene e ma ye ko hu body no as an MP wan ka ho hwe ye tie ne say rumors allegedly and say san krofo no omu nyina omu ye nkrofo ye gwawo ye so omu ye MPP for and because of support na omu wo side no ti no omu ye saade no ye gwawo because in kati ye nipa wo nti ye gwawo like ye gwawo because as an MP no e was say assembly si a wo sorry na wo ka say assembly si wo as MP kun kati wo ka so wan ka hwe because we supporting nipa na omu ye saade no ye gwawo me I don't want to be interested. I'm not solve kaswa for him some man hen wo I'm not interested in chieftaincy issues. Kaswa me nu aketwa ofanko okoka ofanko for class. Omunim say na boy bi bom fi ho. Oye me nua no amene ne wo fi ha no. No kwa him fi o da ho ne namfofo ahim fi o na omu nua ba apon oba me ye fi wo wini babeda ho. So me I'm not interested in the chieftaincy issues in Kaswa, but I'm interested in omu ikun katie. Ye kunipa afa body ni de gwane asan abeto body na twene asa ye kohu body no MP anka hwe MP ye beto abai ye se wo sesa soja for san ko gu ho maka kire boys ni nya se obi antumi ye obi ahwe o obi antumi huhunu obi anu owu obekwa ko sin samankwan. You have to be peaceful. You have to follow the laws. You have to follow the constitution of Ghana. You have to respect our democracy. But the national anthem says that we must resist the oppressor's rule, and we must resist it with all our will and all our might. We must resist the oppressor's rule. It is in our national anthem, and help us to resist the oppressor's rule. And everybody must be part of resisting the oppressor's rule. In 2016, this election we are going into a battle, and the national anthem says that we must resist the oppressor's rule. President Kufuor was there, Nana Akufo-Addo was there, everybody was there, and everybody was happy that Kwame A+ was on the stage and shouting that we are going to resist the oppressor's rule. And yes, this election, we are going to resist the oppressor's rule. What we did 3 days ago was an exhibition of how we will start organizing ourselves and start moving. Nobody can intimidate anybody in this country. This country does not belong to anybody. We will not sit down and watch foot soldiers slap military generals and police commissioners. We will not watch it. And the police people who are working with their stomach, police service, very useless police people. Good police people, police for the PhD holders, now police masters, obikuta 2 masters, obikuta 3 lecturer or a police ni very decent man. Kakra bi sem, omo do mo akwahye politics mu and the jimie we are police ni papa pini she commissioner jimie gu ni papa pa nanim ase ye nsuro bia he me video we up for phone from say A+ bra police headquarters me ni pa 100,000 be si bi be gina ba no kra ntumi he unti ase inu mo bebre be si forget it. Ghana will be to me, you'll be a who, be a Robia. Over Travis, like I said, A+ or now president to be A+ now obey the president. But president no the 19 years, and yes, is from Louis. The president no di 19 years. No, yes, from no year. Yes, from the president 19 years. That time Rollins no young guys. Omo no so 28, 27 and they di 40 to me nkasa to me be anon nkasa opese obi so obi kuruma. Yen de yen to me so Nyankopon so nipa da sene on ne wi on na pepa ne to. Forget it. That's why don't allow anybody to intimidate you. Don't allow Howard Crimson to intimidate you. There are so many people who are thinking that A plus and a Howard man is hey, me na make a mungo bisa Howard. Stand up for your right. This is your country. Nobody can do anything to you. Go out there, be peaceful. Throughout the independence struggle, Kwame Nkrumah didn't shoot anybody, didn't fight with anybody. He used legal means. He used the right way to do what he had to do. And that is what you have to do. Be peaceful. However, you have to defend yourself. And you have to resist the oppressor's rule. Everybody must come together to resist the oppressor's rule. Don't be scared of anybody. Obian to me out here. Na mini obia anye adwuma. Na min sure obia weekendi tinafie jiwani wo to aba between and then Monday Akufo-Addo do kan wantua na wo to aba mana me kan sem bi a kire ontua. Mo adwen ye adwuma to aba no say na me ye wadom na ko second round within that period no obi tua wo kanyina wo kai say ye beto aba e ko second round je ku 40 petrol so. No, some release prisoners. Senka MPP for winning ya. Come on, yes, I did. But time now, you're two abana, but never call second round on the pet. Near prisoners in yana. And you could your friends and yet say petrol so. To abano. I did BBC wa brabo mama. To abawe ye. Whether MPP be winning and yahoo, Nanado will win president, it won't change my life in any way. But I was so Nanado. To me, man, the pressure, not or 3 hour can amount. Nothing the call. We have free SHS, no, Obedia, Ubewu. I mean, she'll be enjoy the weekend.